Welcome to our comprehensive guide on sound system harnesses. In this video, we will explore the essential role that sound system harnesses play in delivering crystal clear audio experiences in various settings, from car audio systems to home theaters. Sound system harnesses, also known as audio wiring harnesses, are intricate networks of wires, connectors, and components that facilitate the seamless transmission of audio signals within a sound system. Whether it's your car's entertainment system, a professional audio setup, or a home theater, sound system harnesses are at the heart of delivering exceptional sound quality. Dive into the different types of sound system harnesses available in the market. Explore harnesses designed for car audio systems, surround sound setups, audio equipment in concert venues, and more. Each type is engineered to meet the unique requirements of the specific audio system. Quality policy. We at yyharness is committed for manufacturing of wiring harness and fulfill applicable requirements and deliver it to customer on time with minimum error. We will do this through continually improving our quality management system.